Hi, welcome to Excel Bus. In this video, we'll see how to work with write function in Excel. Now, write function is a function that is used to extract a substring or a text from a string. Now, the syntax for this is equal to write, and within the parentheses, we have to give the reference text and then enter the number of characters that we want to extract. Now, let's see for an example of using the write function here. We want to extract the state names here, which are their initials. For this, we'll use the write function is equal to write. So just type RI and you get the option here and click on that and then select the reference cell, which is A7 here, and then write the number of characters. So since we want to just remove the last two characters, so we'll just press 2 here and just press close the parenthesis and press enter. And now we can copy down the formula by dragging the left mouse button. So we have the state names here with their initials. Now one more example for the write function is to extract the last name. Suppose if we want to only extract the last name, we can use is equal to write and again click on this, and then you have to give the reference text. Number of characters will be different in the last name of different customer names, so we cannot use a constant number here. So we will use a dynamic formula where we can use find and then find formula, and after this within the find we will have to find the space here. So we will enter the double quotation marks with space in between, and we have to find the text, and then within this text give the reference cell and close the parenthesis. So and but we have to give one more thing is that we want not from the space, but we want one letter after the space. So we have to write -1 here, -1. So and now close the parenthesis. Now press enter and you have the right the last name with the right function. Now let's copy down the formula by dragging it down the left mouse button. After that, now you can see that there is some gap here in some of the cells. So how do we put it in a correct order is, let's go back here and we'll just put one more outer formula, that is trim, and let us close the parenthesis again and pressed enter. So we have this. Now let's copy down the formula by dragging the left mouse button. And now everything is sorted and it is in a proper order. So this is how you work with write function, and you can use combination with find or search and certain trim functions as well. And you can get the desired result. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.